Here is how to add animated icons to Figma. First, we're going to select a frame or to create a frame, doesn't matter the size. Then we're going to go to the Resources tab, Plugins, and let's look for Lottie files. Once it opens, we have a variety of icons or animations to select. In this case, let's select this one, the heart. We have insert as SVG or insert as a GIF. We're going to select the second option and we have two sizes. You can select the large one, but you have to have a premium account. So in this case, I'm just going to select the medium. Okay. And there we have our GIF. Okay. We can make it bigger. Once we have it, we are going to go to prototype, interactions. We will leave the on-click option, and here we will select open overlay. Now we can give it a shot, and there it is. That's it for this time, guys.